we are going to deal with the poultry farming. As you can see here on the board, poultry farming is actually raising of the domestic fowl, and it is done for two purposes. Either for the commercial production of eggs or commercially meat production, and the birds which are used for the egg production, they are called as layers, and those who are raised for the meat production, they are called as broilers. We can have again local and foreign breeds. Local breeds, example is Aussie. Local breeds are also called as indigenous breeds. Foreign breeds are here we can have example of Leghorn. Foreign breeds are also called as exotic breeds. Again, we can have a cross in between these two to have desired traits, desired characteristics. For example, the birds which we are going to raise for these purposes should demand low maintenance. Then they can remain survive even with a cheap and low cost diet. They will be high tolerant towards changing temperature and all that. So for having all such desired traits, we can cross breed these two breeds. Next, children, the broilers, which are basically for the meat production, they have different type of diets as compared to the layers which are for egg production. So broilers actually need the diet which is rich in protein, fat, then there should be vitamin A and K also, so that they can have good growth and their weight can be increased, because we are going to sell them in the market for meat purpose, isn't it? So it's very, very essential that they are healthy and their weight is increased. For such purposes, they are sometimes being provided with the pieces of dry fish also, so that they can have good amount of nutrients for such purposes. Now children, let's see what care we must take while farming of such birds. So first of all, again we will have to take care about their shelter. It should be free from any kind of germs. There should be no stagnant water around their shelter. It should remain dry all the time in order to avoid the growth of any kind of germs and all that. Shelter should be proper ventilated. Ventilation should be there, and regular cleaning of shelter should be done. Spraying of disinfectant should be there, both in the place where they are being kept and as well as on the bodies of these birds, so that they can remain free from any kind of infectious disease. Along with the shelter, as we have already seen about the food supplement should be given according to the purpose, according to the categories, that is the layers of the boilers, so that they remain healthy and their marketability will be good. They can be sold at high price in the market, and they can also suffer from different kinds of diseases. There can be fungal disease, there can be viral disease, there can be bacterial disease which can occur in these birds. So we must be careful enough, and vaccination can be done for such purposes. If at all we find symptoms of disease in any kind of bird, these symptoms can be the inactiveness or the stop, if they stop eating food and all that, if we can say the hair is falling down, so also symptoms will indicate that the bird is not healthy, the bird is suffering from a disease. Immediately that bird should be isolated from the whole group, and if at all that bird dies for some reason, that should be disposed properly, so that the infection of that bird will not come to the whole group, and in this way we can save our birds. So this is all regarding poultry farming. In poultry farming, we can have two types of birds, one which mean for the egg production, that will be called as layers, another one for meat production, which are called as broilers. We can have local and foreign breeds which can be interbreed among themselves, or actually we can have crossbreeding among them, so that we can have desired traits. Then we can take care of shelter, we can take care of their food and the diseases which are very common among them. So children, this is all about poultry farming.